Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on how to delete posts hidden from your Facebook timeline on your PC. Let's get started. Firstly, open Facebook by launching your preferred web browser and logging into your account. Next, click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen to access your profile. Once on your profile, navigate to the Photos tab and click on it. Look for the three dots icon, usually located near the top right corner of the screen, and click on it. From the available options, select See Photos Hidden from Timeline and click on it. Locate the desired post you wish to delete and find the three dots icon placed next to it. Finally, click on the Delete option to remove the post from your timeline permanently. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a post hidden from your timeline on Facebook using your PC. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so make sure you're deleting the correct post. That's it. You've successfully deleted a post hidden from your Facebook timeline on your PC. Thanks for watching.